Right, so good afternoon. I'm at Bob Marley Museum again, doing a tour today. Now, someone asked me today, why did I set up the company Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica? So basically, I've been living here 5 years and I fell in love. As I started to explore Kingston, especially downtown, I fell in love with Kingston. The architecture downtown around Parade and just downtown, the buildings and the museums. So yeah, I set it up, I fell in love with it, and I thought I want to share it with the world. I want to showcase Kingston. After all, Kingston is the cultural mecca of Jamaica. So yeah, give us a call, come down. You need to come to Kingston. I know Montego Bay is lovely, Negril, Ochi, they're all fine. They've got most amazing beaches, but you need to come to Kingston. Kingston, what have we got in Kingston? We've got National Gallery, we've got the Jamaican Music Museum, we've got the Institute of Jamaica, you've got the Water Lane murals. There's over 110 murals to explore. You've got Tough Gong International, Bunny Lee, Striker Lee's Museum in Duaney Park, 17 Burns Avenue. You've got Trenchtown Culture Yard. You've also got the music. You've got Orange Street, Rockers International, Ibo Spice, Lego Records. There is so much to explore in Kingston. And then today I'm in Bob Marley Museum. You've got Devon House. You've got Hope Gardens, Gordon Town. There is just so much to see. So all I can say, what is there not to love about Jamaica? But more importantly, what is there not to love about Kingston? Give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica.